Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Boost. Today, in this video we are going to discuss the symptoms of the bad car wheel alignment. Wheel alignments are a necessary part of driving a car. Proper wheel alignment is not only important for your vehicle safety and performance, but also for improving the life of your tires and fuel efficiency. Symptoms of a bad wheel alignment. 1. Vehicle pulls to one side. When driving on a straight, level road, your vehicle should travel in a straight line, without you having to constantly correct the steering. If your car pulls to one side or the other, it is likely an alignment issue. This can be caused by misaligned front or rear wheels. 2. Steering wheel not aligned. The steering wheel position can also indicate whether an alignment is needed. In normal situations, the steering wheel would be centered. So when you are driving straight, it is in the upright position. If your steering wheel is not centered when your vehicle is moving straight, it could be a sign of a misaligned wheel. 3. Uneven tire wear. One of the most noticeable signs of a bad wheel alignment is uneven tire wear. When your vehicle wheels are not properly aligned, they don't point in the same direction. This misalignment can cause the tires to make uneven contact with the road surface. As a result, certain areas of the tire tread wear out faster than others. 4. Steering wheel vibration. A vibration in the steering wheel, especially at certain speeds, can indicate wheel misalignment. This can result from uneven tire wear, which often occurs when the wheels are not properly aligned. 5. Increased fuel consumption. Misaligned wheels create additional resistance as the tires do not roll smoothly in the direction of travel. This increased rolling resistance can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, because your engine has to work harder to move the car. As a result, you might notice a decrease in miles per gallon. 6. Poor handling. A proper wheel alignment is crucial for responsive and predictable handling. When the wheels are misaligned, your vehicle ability to respond to steering inputs and navigate curves and corners can be compromised. It may feel less stable and more difficult to control, particularly at high speeds. 7. Squealing tires. Misaligned wheels can cause the tires to screech or squeal, especially when you turn the steering wheel. This noise occurs because the tires are being dragged or skidded across the road surface rather than rolling smoothly. 8. Premature tire wear. When the wheels are misaligned, tires can wear out prematurely, meaning they need replacement sooner than expected. This can be costly, as you will have to buy new tires more frequently due to the uneven wear caused by alignment issues.